Stay warm and comfortable during power outages or cold nights with safe and efficient heating solutions. The best non-electric heater for indoor use offers reliable warmth, portable designs, and fuel-efficient performance, ensuring cozy comfort without depending on electricity. After watching the video, be sure to check the links in the description below for each item. Now, let's get started. Number 1. LINWIN Indoor Non-Electric Heater. The LINWIN Indoor Non-Electric Heater is a dependable and multifunctional heating solution designed for those who value both practicality and performance. This heater comes as a complete package, including a kerosene heater, 2 extra wicks, a storage bag, gloves, a funnel, and a siphon pump, making it ready to use right out of the box. It serves as a 2-in-1 heater and stove, ideal for cooking during the day and keeping you warm at night. Perfect for camping, ice fishing, or emergencies at home. Built for portability, the LINWIN heater features an adjustable height and a sturdy carrying handle, allowing you to move and position it effortlessly wherever warmth is needed. Its 360-degree radiant heating system delivers an impressive 9,000 BTU output, ensuring that heat spreads evenly and quickly in all directions. The simple one-button ignition design makes it easy to operate, even in outdoor or low-light conditions. Whether you're preparing a meal outdoors or staying cozy during a power outage, this heater offers reliable performance without the need for electricity. The LINWIN Indoor Non-Electric Heater combines efficiency, safety, and convenience, making it an essential companion for anyone seeking portable warmth and versatile cooking capability in off-grid environments or during emergencies. Number 2. AHUAWA Indoor Non-Electric Heater. The AHUAWA Indoor Non-Electric Heater is a powerful and efficient heating option that ensures comfort and reliability in any situation. Producing up to 11,500 BTUs of heat, this kerosene heater effectively warms spaces between 200 and 500 square feet, making it suitable for garages, bedrooms, RVs, or cabins. It operates without electricity, running on a 1.4-gallon fuel tank that delivers up to 20 hours of continuous warmth, an essential feature during blackouts or extreme winter weather. The package includes a complete set of accessories, such as a funnel, siphon pump, gloves, and extra wicks, giving users everything needed for safe operation. This heater is designed for both indoor and outdoor use, featuring an adjustable height design for better heat control and a protective safety net with an anti-tip base for stability. Its flat-top surface also allows light cooking or boiling water, enhancing its practicality during camping trips or emergencies. The AHUAWA heater not only provides quick, electricity-free heating, but also helps reduce utility costs through energy-efficient performance. Built with safety and convenience in mind, it's a versatile addition to any home or travel setup, offering peace of mind and dependable warmth when you need it most. Number 3. Vnekjse Indoor Non-Electric Heater. The Vnekjse Indoor Non-Electric Heater delivers reliable and efficient heat wherever you need it, combining thoughtful design with dependable performance. Unlike traditional electric models, this kerosene stove heater operates completely without electricity, making it a practical choice for power outages, outdoor adventures, or off-grid living. With 360-degree radiant heating and a maximum heat output of 9,000 BTU, about 2,800 W, it quickly warms areas up to 30 square meters. The design ensures that heat is distributed evenly around the space, rather than escaping upward, keeping everyone nearby comfortable. Built with user safety in mind, it includes a flame adjuster, a sealed fuel filler cap, and a protective safety grille to minimize risks during use. The real-time fuel gauge lets you monitor consumption easily, while the removable enamel top adds a touch of durability and eco-friendly. Consuming only 0.2 liters of fuel per hour, it's an energy-efficient choice for continuous heating. The height-adjustable hood allows faster cooking by bringing the flame closer to cookware, making it a dual-purpose heater and stove. With its portable handle design, the Vnekjse heater is perfect for both indoor use and outdoor settings such as camping, hunting, or ice fishing. It's a quiet, clean, and powerful way to stay warm anywhere. Number 4. TGHDFDB Indoor Non-Electric Heater. The TGHDFDB Indoor Non-Electric Heater is a powerful, energy-saving heating solution that offers immediate warmth without relying on electricity. Delivering up to 9,000 BTU per H of radiant heat, it begins heating within seconds after ignition, making it an ideal emergency option during power outages, storms, or cold weather camping trips. Its design ensures 360-degree efficient heat distribution, thanks to a large reflective screen that spreads warmth evenly across the area. With an impressive 99.8% combustion efficiency, the heater produces clean, smoke-free heat while maintaining low fuel consumption at just 0.25 liters per hour. The adjustable hood allows for faster cooking by positioning pots closer to the flame, making it a multifunctional heater for heating, boiling, or grilling. Each unit includes 3 long-lasting wicks, with one capable of lasting up to 6 months, ensuring extended usability. This kerosene heater's versatility shines both indoors and outdoors, perfect for camping, greenhouses, patios, or emergency home heating. Designed for convenience and reliability, the TGHDFDB heater ensures consistent, clean warmth anytime, anywhere, without dependence on electricity. Number 5. Saterkali Indoor Non-Electric Heater. The Saterkali Indoor Non-Electric Heater is a versatile, dual-function kerosene stove that seamlessly transitions between cooking and heating duties, making it a smart companion for both indoor and outdoor use. Delivering a powerful 9,000 BTU output, it effectively warms up to 15 square meters of space, while doubling as a compact cooker for preparing meals. Built with a 4.5-liter fuel tank, this heater offers an impressive burn time of 16 to 21 hours, minimizing the need for frequent refueling. Its radiant heating design provides steady, electricity-free warmth that rivals propane models without the need for power. The manual knob allows for easy flame control, ensuring safe and efficient operation. Crafted for portability, it includes a durable stainless steel handle for easy carrying, allowing you to reposition it effortlessly, whether you're at home, in a tent, or at a campsite. Ideal for camping, ice fishing, or emergencies, this heater provides a dependable source of heat and cooking capability in all environments. With its sturdy build, long-lasting performance, and multi-scenario adaptability, the Saterkali Indoor Non-Electric Heater combines comfort, efficiency, and practicality in one compact unit, making it a must-have for off-grid living or cold weather preparedness. Like the video, hit the subscribe button, and press the bell icon.